Hey, welcome to this course on increasing your Amazon or Shopify sales with Clickfunnels. So in this course, I'm going to teach you in the next 10 or so videos how to quickly set up funnels that are going to allow you to explode sales for your business. So we're going to be covering funnels that apply to different traffic sources. For example, Facebook ads. We're going to cover how to set up your own Facebook ads so you can get traffic going. We're going to show you how to quickly create funnels for different purposes, whether it be building your list and then retargeting your customers later on, whether it be sales, flash sales. We'll also have funnels ready for you, right? So we will give you URLs where you can simply just hop on there and download ready-made funnels like this one with, for example, this limited time offer. All you have to do, again, switch your image with the image of the product, different order confirmation pages, etc. So all of the funnels ready for you. This is really going to make an impact on the amount of sales and the profitability of your store. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.